Hi students, and welcome to another module on software evaluation. To date, we have seen examples of software evaluations from the 1980s and the 1990s and how the evaluation criteria have focused heavily on technical aspects of the software. In this module, we will look at research from the year 2000 to see if a shift has occurred and the problems and pitfalls of focusing on technical features of educational software only from the previous 2 decades. Analysis questions. As we commence this module, I would like in your tutorial group and in WebKF course discussion forum to discuss the following questions. Why are software evaluation checklists valuable or not? Why is determining the educational value of software important or not? Why software evaluation checklists? It is very important to note that before educational software is placed on the market, it is highly recommended its contents be carefully reviewed prior to purchase. It has been argued that educational software needs to be evaluated through a detailed and thought process before it enters into the classroom space. The importance of evaluating educational aspects of the software program. Too many educators and teachers rely naively on advertisements to make their decisions about purchasing an educational software for their classroom. Thus, it is vital that educators and teachers learn how to evaluate software. Evaluators of educational software must have the skills to critically evaluate and make decisions for not only about format, but also for content and the process of learning. Educational versus entertaining. Interestingly, in a study conducted by Eisenhower National Clearinghouse at the Ohio State University, the researchers examined 200 software packages intended for use in social studies and language arts instruction. Based on the evaluations, most of the software lacked important content. They found that the software was very entertaining, but not instructional. Problems of most educational evaluation checklists. As we've already discussed and noticed through our own explorations of the technology, most of the evaluation forms concentrated on the technology and mechanics and did not look at pedagogy and content. Another problem was that there is no standard evaluation criteria or common terminology. Thus, CARA 2008 decided to develop an evaluation form to provide an evaluation and selection instrument of educational software that met the requirements of some balance between mechanics, content, and pedagogy that is user-friendly. Synthesis questions. As we bring this module to a closure, I would like in your tutorial group and in WebKF course discussion forum to discuss the following questions. What is the difference of software for educational purposes versus ones for entertainment purposes? What is the value of edutainment? Or does it have no value or place in educational technology? Provide an example or two you know of good edutainment.